So, you haven't switched on to the wrong video, no. I am on the Bonneville T100 at the moment, but the video you're about to watch is about the SV and the changing of the exhaust. Unfortunately, the video for the intro that I did, in true form, hasn't worked, no. So, oh, look at these bikes, marvellous. Naughty boys, very naughty boys. Anyway, so the video you're going to see is the SV having its exhaust changed. Yeah, I took one of the best things about the standard SV, which is its sound, the noise it makes, both from the induction, from the engine, and from the stock exhaust. Yeah, and I've made it better. Well, I've made it better in my eyes. Others might not like it. Hopefully you'll enjoy the video, and I want to say a big thank you to Banana Man and the Marsbar Kid as well, and of course for TC for lending us his garage. Because I'm useless at filming stuff, full stop, but particularly whenever you're doing anything with the bike, I thought it best to get someone to help me. Well, Banana Man is okay at filming, but he's better at undoing nuts and bolts. Yeah, so that's how it's happened, the way that it's happened. Hopefully you'll enjoy the video. So I'll get off, and you'll see us next in the garage. Yeah, ta-ta. Right, so this is the before sound of the SV 650 with its standard exhaust. If you could, Banana Man. Bit more. Oh, you see. Okay. You see, it's not bad when you're actually going down the road. It's a really nice sound, and it is one of the best features of the SV. It really is. That's one of the reasons I bought it, for the noise it makes. Largely some of it from the induction that you get coming up in front of you, but also, you know, it's just that the pipe is just a bit ugly. I mean, it's okay, I've seen worse, but do you want to show us what pipe we're putting on, Banana Man?
We are putting on nice black.
Oh, look at that. It's a fraction of the size. Do you want to put it next to it, just so we get a rough idea? I mean, look at that. It's gonna look marvellous. Yeah, anyway, I'm going to video what we can of it, but I'm not an expert at this, you know. Right, here we go. Okay, so what we got? We've got, is that it, just down there?
Yeah, just,
just this bracket down here and this mount here,
yeah.
And that's it. So we have loosened it off just to make sure that there was not going to be a problem. That seems to come off easy enough. Oh, and that swivels down dead easy. It's like a 5-minute job by the looks. Nice and easy wiggle, off it goes. Crikey, it's quite black in there, isn't it? Considering that there's a cat. Look at that. That, I don't know if you can see that. Is that soot or is that the colour?
That's just soot, I think.
Yeah. Interesting. So, look at these side by side. I mean, just look at it. Crikey. I'm quite excited about this. So, what was the nut size for that?
That's Torx. Allen key, sorry.
Allen keys.
Yeah, you've got 6mm.
So 6mm
Allen
on
key.
this, and 6mm on that as well.
6mm on that with a
Oh, don't you just love the Japanese? I remember in the 70s, everything was 10 and 12mm.
Yeah.
That's all you needed, and you could rebuild your bike. It's crazy. So here we are. That offers up to there. Shall we fit the pipe on it and just see before
see where it's gonna go?
Because it is adjustable on the thing, isn't it? Oh, it's gonna go.
So yeah.
Yeah,
That's
no
where-
problem at all.
That's where she's gonna be.
Right, so bracket first. So I guess we need the do we need any sealant? And
Put some paste in.
and do we need the Jubilee clip type thing
I've
off?
got a new one with it.
Got a new one with it. Excellent. This exhaust, $149.99.
That's cheaper than what it is for mine.
Oh, it's just incredible, isn't it? And what do you get? You get a nice bag to keep it in. You get the paste. You get
Everything to mount it.
that everything. The mount, the lot. What's that for? The mount.
Yeah, that's your
Oh,
mount.
that's the spacer. I thought it was going to look a bit far off that. As you can see, the SV is quite dirty. It's been raining, and I came with the Mars Bar kid. Yeah, his bike's there, but he's wandered off to look at other bikes and stuff. Yeah. So get your finger in. Don't you laugh. That wasn't me. That was you.
Disgusting.
You look quite proficient at this.
Yeah, lots of practice.
I would be doing this myself, but I've come straight from work and I'm in a nice white shirt. Look, I don't know if you can see that. Look, I've come straight from work in waterproofs, so I can't touch anything or do anything. So Banana Man very kindly said he'd do it. He's used to changing stuff about. He's also very, very good at cleaning motorbikes. So if you ever need your bike cleaning, you need to get hold of him and he'll prep it for winter for you. Is that right, Banana Man?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't know how much it cost. He's going to do mine for me, but I don't know what price he's going to charge yet. Oh, look who comes in. Comes in when all the hard work's done.
It's all
Yeah.
off.
Yeah, it's off. And we're just waiting now.
Are you not tempted to fire it up with nothing on at all?
Of course I am. Am I going to? No.
I'm going to eat my fish and chips.
You go and get your fish and chips,
Thank you.
TC.
Yeah.
Look at this. Oh, you're a bad influence.
It's only a 650.
Do we need to put this on?
Christ.
That's quite marvellous, isn't it? Don't you need to get the thing on?
Paul, do you know which is your tea?
Yeah. Hang on, just stop there a moment.
Okay.
Right, so we've slipped that on again because Banana Man got it all prepped with his finger and it just slid straight on.
Or in.
Yeah. And now the bracket's got like a rubber seal around it, obviously to keep vibrations down and maybe dissipate some of the heat.
That and to stop it from scratching.
Stop it from scratching the exhaust.
Yeah.
Excellent. Oh, I mean, just look at it. It's almost, the diameter is probably the same as the length.
I'll have to, you got to leave them baffles out.
No, not to start with. It's got to be accustomed to that
That means
first.
Mrs. Tane don't know you've got it then.
She knows I've got it.
But she don't know how loud it is.
She doesn't know how loud it is. She doesn't know where it is or anything. I did say I was coming over here for you to fit an exhaust, and I could see her brain working, but she couldn't compute. She's seen the box that it came in, and so she knows that something arrived, but she doesn't know what. So
don't you get me in trouble.
There you go. I'll just say Banana Man made me do it. What can I say?
Truth.
Let's not go there.
Yeah. That sounds nice without the exhaust on, doesn't it?
Hey, actually, well, I mean, apart from being loud, it does actually sound nice.
Well, it sounds nice with the old exhaust on.
Yeah.
That's the
See
point.
how heavy that is.
Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite heavy, but it's not. It's not actually.
Compared to that, how heavy is it compared to that?
Oh, it's 3 times the weight, if not 4. 5. I'm going to go for 5 times.
It's 5 times the weight.
Yeah.
There you go. Official figures. The official weigh-in from the Masbar kid.
I reckon it is. Have you got any scales?
Have you got some fishing scales?
Because you can
I
work
bet
out.
your dad has.
Regardless of whether it makes any more horsepower,
Yeah, Gable,
you can work out the power to weight ratio.
Yeah.
Right, increase.
Well, I asked Orwells if I should change the air filter, and they said it'd be fine. But I might do that at some point.
Do you want that one on, or do you want to go stick with the original type?
What's the difference?
You got a bevel on that one, so the bolt sits in.
Oh yeah, I think so. Don't you? What would you go for?
Bevel.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the bolt's sitting in.
So you're just trying to make me look like a fool, like I don't know what I'm talking about.
Did you want to have that argument?
I put my hands up straight away. It's like if the dirty garage guy ever watches one of my videos.
How do you know him? Do you like him?
Yeah, it's hilarious.
Recording.
Yeah.
What I was going to say, Uncle.
I mean, I can. Here we go. Anyway.
Yeah, your opinions don't matter at the moment.
Because here we go. Don't you need to finger that one as well?
No.
You're not going to finger that.
No. Makes it look a mess.
Okay.
So.
That, and then you need the spacer. Yeah. Do you want me to pass you it?
No, that's all right. I'll do it. Oh, you're all right. That's all right. I'll get it.
Do you want the nut? Do you want the nut as well?
No, it's okay. I'll get it. I can manage. It's okay. You stand there with the camera.
You see, the hole's quite small when you actually get down to it, isn't it? I suppose everything's relevant. So we're gonna have to. Oh no! I thought we were gonna have to slide that up a bit. I like it already.
Good.
I mean, look at that. Let's just have a quick look. Oh, it's tiny. It's tiny. You can see so much more space. It's going to be easier to clean the bike, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. We did forget to put the clamp on though.
You've taken so much weight off the back of the bike, you might have to adjust your preload.
No, preload's all right.
Yeah, you bastard. Isn't it?
Oh, rude, isn't he? Oh, what?
Oh, everything's going everywhere. There we go. She's going to take some editing now.
Do you see that? He forgot a clamp.
Yeah, I know. After I said.
You didn't say clamp.
I'm glad I'm not doing this.
What do you? What are you insinuating?
I'm glad Mr. Banana Man's doing this and not me. I had a hard time when we did this on my bike.
I know, but the chances of him thumping me are about 100 times greater than you thumping me.
That's rude. Anybody think I was violent?
Excellent. Simple as that.
Simple as
And
that.
then this clamp up.
Yeah, that clamp
Hang
will do
on, hang on
it.
a minute. We need to get this swiveled a bit because I assume the baffle screw should be at the bottom of it. You know,
Yeah.
get it round a bit. Look at the end.
Yeah.
So you want to look down in there, or both these
That's
rivets.
it. That's it. Oh,
Yeah, both
maybe
those rivets need to be 2 o'clock, 11 o'clock.
2 o'clock and 1 o'clock and 11 o'clock,
1 o'clock
or
and 11.
2 o'clock and 10 o'clock.
Yeah,
How much
that
further?
too.
Can you tell the time?
Not from here, no.
I can't.
Well, the bike's on an angle, so it's actually
Yeah, but-
quite difficult. It'll probably go just a fraction more if you can.
That way?
Yeah. Don't think that went.
It's hard to say. You need to nip it
Yeah.
up and then do a trial fit, and then we need to.
Yeah. I think that's stopping it from actually turning.
Shouldn't do yet.
Too much.
No,
No,
you're
yeah,
about
yeah,
right.
No, yeah.
You're about right. We're leant over. What do you think, Banana Man? Go have a look.
No, man.
Banana Man. Ba 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 doo boop.
Yeah,
Is that about right?
that's about right. But then I'll take that, once you've got them baffles out, you won't notice it anyway.
Yeah, but
You see, from here it looks like it wants to come back again. I think you're wrong with those at 2 o'clock and 10 o'clock.
It wants to go back a bit. You want this rivet sitting
Yeah,
down to there.
yeah.
Yeah, but it's very hard to tweak it until you've.
Shall we
mixed
just
it
stand the
all up.
bike up? Let me just stand the bike up so you can have a look. What about now?
Yeah, I want to turn them backwards. Get that centre nut.
Okay. Right. Go and have a look.
Stay.
Get it straight then.
Bit too much.
That'll do.
Let's crank her up and we'll see what she's like.
Yeah. Right, so you don't want to see the boring bits. Banana Man just tightening everything up. So I'll bring you back when we've done it. So we've got it together. I don't think it'll sound much different to the original pipe. Just a little bit louder.
Not with them baffles in.
What do you think it'll sound like?
Not much different to the other one.
I think it's going to have a bit of a whistle on overrun, like with the baffling. Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Ready?
You ready?
Yeah. I like that. That's just right.
It has got a bit of a flutter on overrun.
Yeah. That's £150 well spent. Hello.
Alright, should we see what it's like with the baffles out?
No. Shall we?
We got to, ain't you?
Okay. Okay, so TC's just entered the room and said, "What's all this noise?" We're just about to take the baffles out, TC, to have a look. Dead easy. Allen key in there. And there we go. Smooth as silk.
You're not allowed. You're away.
Black Widow used to be a catapult.
there's an instruction manual on how to get them out. I think it says a pair of pliers or your fingers. Oh, that makes the hole quite a lot bigger. If we have a look, there we go. So, what's it gonna sound like?
Stand outside.
Look, is it hot?
Yes.
So, here we go.
On the way.
That's better. Got more reverb.
Yeah, well, smoking quite a bit.
No, that's condensation. That's condensation.
Condensation.
It's lost that flutter on overrun. It's caused it's a flutter. Like
Okay.
it's too loud.
It is too
Much
too
too
loud. I've got to, you know, I go out quite early in the morning. Like,
Nice weather biker.
yeah.
That's for nice weather only.
Right, we're putting the baffles back in for any police officer that might be watching. Yeah.
Listen to him start off. Go for it.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that little video of the SV and my attempt to improve one of the best things about the SV. Yeah, I think it has improved it. You might disagree. It's not too intrusive. It just has a nice bit of bass to it, and a little bit makes it a little bit more poppy. When decelerating, yeah. If you think different, let us know. But I mean, for the money it cost, I'm really impressed with it. Yeah. Let me just get the. Oh, I don't need the visor shirt yet. There's a couple of bikes ahead. Look, I don't know if you can see them. And I think you can keep it quiet enough in built-up areas. Yeah, as long as you don't ride like a lunatic. So that's it from the SV at the moment, till the next improvement. I'll catch you later. Yeah.